Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been well and you all are keeping safe. If you are new here, welcome, and I really appreciate you clicking on this video. My good name is Jay Kinyo and I do this kind of content. I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and leaving me a comment down below. Just let me know if you're a new viewer, and if you have already subscribed, let me know in the comment section. I'd really appreciate that. If you are a regular here, a returning subscriber, thank you so much, honey, for coming back to view more of my content and for the continued support. I really don't I don't take that for granted. Yeah, so basically what is happening on this video, it's just I documented a few days in my life, yeah, and on this particular footage right here, it's just me and my friends. We were exploring the new GTC mall that is in Westland Chiromo. Yeah, it's not like new per se because it has been around for I think an year now. Yeah, but we've never gone there. So this day we decided to explore and see what's in there. It's a cute place, but yeah, that's all I can say for that. So I hope you do consider watching this video to the end. It's still going to support my channel growth, and I will appreciate as well. And I hope you do also leave me a comment on the comment section, and like the video so that it can be recommended to as many people out there by YouTube. It supports my channel growth, and helps me push my content to the algorithm. That name always changanyishaga me. You unchanganyisha, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, is it algorithm? Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so when you like the videos, it helps push my videos. Anyways, I don't want to talk too much because I know I can talk and talk and talk. I don't want to bore you with my I wanted to say crusty, but my voice is not crusty. I have a sweet voice. You all can agree there on the comment section. Anyways, enjoy the video and like, share, subscribe. I love you all. Ciao. Curtains slowly closing, that was kind of Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever time you're watching this. So today's on Saturday. I started this vlog yesterday when I was coming back from work with my colleagues. We went out for a date, like not really, well, just a lunch date or an evening date, or I don't know what that was. Cause yesterday we left work early. Should I give you the details why? No, I don't think that's important. But yesterday we left work early, so after we left work early, we went out to eat with my friends to get a KFC, had some chicken and fries, then stayed there, catching up, chatting about stuff. Then I got home. It started raining, so I didn't do much yesterday. I didn't cook because by the time I was getting home, I was still full. So yeah, so yesterday I didn't cook, and now I want to have something, but I figured it's already, let me see what time it is. I think it's already 11. Yeah, it's 11:03, as you can see, it's 11:03 already. So I'm like, why, it's lunchtime is almost here. So if I was to make tea, I'll still have to go back and get something. Okay, not really get something to eat for lunch because I'll be full, but why not just cook food now, have it as breakfast and lunch, brunch kind of vibe. And then of course if I cook food now, I won't cook in the evening, so money saved, and time saved and energy saved. So that's what I want to do. I want to head out and get some. I want to cook ugali because it's been a minute since I made ugali in this house. I want to cook ugali. Sijui nitakula ugali na nini. I'm craving to kula ugali nyama, but pesa wewe. Oh god, I am broke, but maybe we can take the risk. I don't know, I'll see. Tunaweza risk tubai kanyama kamia tudanganya nayo sufuria na tumbo. But I'm going to see what I'm going to do. So that's what I'm about to do. I don't think I'm going to go out with you, but I might cook with you when I come back. So yeah, see here when either I'm cooking. Yeah, mostly when I'm cooking. I'm the shop, and I'm going to show you things that I got. I got sukuma wiki. I got nyanyas and eggs because my bank balance or my money balance is telling me siwezi fika bei ya nyama sahi man. Mwezi kwa pabaya. And yeah, my ugali water is boiling there. I'm warming up water to make some black tea. And now I want to start preparing my mbogars so that I can start cooking. Hi guys, back here again. So I'm cooking my ugali right there, as you can see, I thought I'd do a voiceover instead of me putting music here, because I wanted to share something with you guys, and I want you guys to give me honest opinion on the comment section. So there's this incident that happened to me over the weekend where my landlord called me. Where I live, we deal directly with the owner of the apartment. Now the landlord is the owner of the apartment. There are no people involved in between, like brokers, agents, blah blah blah, all that. We don't have that here. So over the weekend, my landlord called me that someone had complained to him, I think the previous night, that I was playing loud. I had my volume up at night, late night. So I don't know how late night it was, while people were sleeping. And this person, who I know, even if the landlord did not disclose the person to me, I know it's my immediate neighbor, reported that I was playing loud volume the previous night. And mind you, this person did not even knock on my door to tell me like, hey, you the volume's a little bit loud to me and I want to rest, blah blah blah. Because I know it was not that as in at late sun. I know it was around 8 p.m. maybe hapo, because that's when I was watching, if I can remember right. I was watching on my telly, and maybe the volume was a bit loud because my telly is connected to the speaker. So this person did not, come to my door to, tell me like, hey, can you tone it down a little bit, blah blah blah. They never did that. They went ahead and reported me, and that's like creating a bad image for me as a person. Like the kind of tenant who disturbs people peace. Like they're distorting my image to on the landlord's eyes. And I was like, okay, dude, okay, madam, you could have come to me and tell me like, hey, my neighbor, I don't like when you do that and it's destructive to me, so why I would appreciate if you tone it down a little bit. They did not do that. They did not tell me. I'm just getting a call, randomly from my landlord, that they have been, they have received complaints about me. And I'm like, okay, me who does not even talk to people, because that's by me by nature. I don't talk to people. Me who is ever in my house, if I'm not working, I'm in my house and my door is ever locked. Yani mlango wangu shinda na kifuli 24/7. If I'm in the house, it's either niko job ama nyumba yangu iko na imefungwa. So me, I was like, okay. And I was like, no, they never told me. And they were like, oh, they are not even rude when they reported, blah blah blah. And I was like, yeah, it's okay, I'm going to rectify on that. And it was not a big deal, but I felt offended as well. Well, I know, understanding is quite ilikuwa loud, yes, but I feel like they could have approached me first, and tell me. Then in case I'm rebellious na nimekataa kusikiza, then they can go ahead and report me. I don't know if you guys resonate with me on this, or you feel like, I was loud and I was supposed to be reported, or do you feel like they should have come to me first and tell me, and if I'm not like changing on that, ndio waende waseme. Because me, I'm the kind of person, I'm very private, by the way. I sort of have social anxiety, or I'm introverted in nature, let me say that. And me ala nule mse neza hawa ploti even a whole year, and I won't even know the name of the next person living next to me. So mu wasiongei na wase. So because the landlord was telling me whatever I end up, road blah blah blah, and I was okay, seeing it like a big deal. So I just said I'm going to change on that, but I felt like my neighbor could have come to me and told me ndio kama ni kitu, as in I take note of that and change, because I felt like you're complaining about noise. Well, ni sawa, ilikuwa usiku, maybe ilikuwa yo 8 p.m. But my neighbor has a teenager. I think she's a high schooler, the daughter. And this lady, when they are on holiday, she usually plays loud music. The old school early music, those like in a vibes, like in a popcorn, those. And they're usually loud. And I've never complained. Nasiati sometimes I feel like, okay, that's too loud. And I've never even thought of, calling the landlord, maybe telling her, which I've never done. But I feel like as a person, the first approach I will take is go to the person. No, either the daughter, actually, not even the mother. The daughter, and tell her like, hey, can you turn it a little bit kidogo, because it is distracting me. And if they don't listen, I tell the mother. And if the mother does not, tell the daughter to change, then I can now go to the landlord. But I felt like, anyway, let me not complicate this whole thing. But I'd like to have your input on that, and let me know how you would have handled it. Because again, something else, the daughter of this neighbor of mine, she records her TikToks on my window. Like, where I have my dining set, I have a window there, and that daughter, whenever they're on holidays, she's always there on my window recording TikToks. Well, it does not bother me, and that's why I've never even bothered to even tell her not to do it, because she's a teenager, she's enjoying herself, and ako your stage. But if I was a mean neighbor, ningeendanga hata singewaambia, ningeenda niwaseme nisemange watu washina kwa dirisha yangu sijui nini, such things. Well, I think it's because I'm not confrontational myself, and I'm not the kind of person who just wake up and start reporting people. I'll first deal with yours, the person who's offending me. I'll come to you first, unless it's like something magnitude that might put me in danger if I approach you, Anyways, I wanted to share that with you guys. And here you are, your input on that. And yeah, maybe I'm, taking it too far. It's not that much of a big deal, or yeah, my concern is valid. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you watched this far. How would you have handled it if it was you? Would you have preferred the neighbor come to you first before reporting you, or would you have, would you have not have an issue with them reporting you direct to the landlord without coming to you first? Yeah, let me know. Otherwise, I'd like to leave you guys up here, and I appreciate you if you have watched this far. And as we are coming to the end of this video, I hope you are I hope you are subscribed to this channel. That's the least support you can give me, imagine. So just subscribe if you are not subscribed, and remember to like. Check right now if you have liked this video. If you have not, just click the like button on the left side of the screen. If you're watching from your phone, if you're using your telly, I don't know how to go about that. And yeah, you can share with your friends and leave me a sweet comment. If you don't have anything to say, you can just send me an emoji down in the comment section just to alert me that yeah, you are watching. I will appreciate that. Bye. I'm sending you all love and light, and always remember to be kind to everyone around you.
Hard work works, y'all. See, some of you have dreams and goals, but hard work, you can't get around it. I wish there was a magic wand that I could wave, that your passion, your dream, that thing you want to achieve, it could just happen, but it can't. Hard work is required. See, dreams and goals, hard work works. And what I mean by this, hard work and making good choices. Good choices will always position you in life to win. Hard work works. And I know some of you, listen to me very clearly, every A is not an A. I don't care how much